Hey, welcome to my channel. I'm Mr. Pena, and today I wanted to show you a quick math riddle that Kahoot shared with us, and I just wanted to go ahead and complete it for us and figure out the number. It was a cool riddle, um, as you can see on the screen. But before we begin, I want to tell you about a learning style inventory. Do you know how your child learns? There are about 7 to 8 learning styles: musical, kinesthetic, interpersonal, linguistic, logical, natural, visual, and intrapersonal. If you figure out which learning styles best suit your child, you will prepare them for success. So if you click on the link in the description, and then type in your email, you'll be subscribed to my list and I'll give it to you absolutely free as a token of my appreciation for becoming a subscriber. And then on a weekly basis, you'll get content, resources, and offers. Now, on to the riddle. Here we have this riddle from Kahoot. I'm going to link in the description to their post. It's their Facebook post, not mine, but I really enjoyed it. And it says 3 strawberries, when you add them, equals 21. So I'm going to represent strawberries with an S. S plus S plus S equals 21. And so there's 3 of them. And so this is the way I'm going to represent S with a 3. 3 S's equals 21. That's going to make me divide both sides by 3. When you multiply the 3 S's, you get 21. So if you divide both sides by 3, you end up with S equaling 7. 21 divided by 3 is 7. So I'm going to take that and leave it here because this is the first part of the equation. And so because I'm done with it, I'm just going to scratch it off so it won't confuse me. And now I'm going to represent our new S, which is strawberry. So 1 strawberry equals 7. Now, does that make sense? Strawberry plus strawberry plus strawberry equals 21. 7 plus 7 plus 7 is 7, 14, 21. Yes, it does. Now, 7 plus 2 orange times orange equals 23. The first time I did this, I gotta be honest, I did make a mistake. It's not 2 oranges, it's orange times orange. So I'm gonna represent it with an orange triangle. Now, if you multiply by itself and then add that with 7, you're gonna get 23. When you multiply a number by itself, what you're really doing is squaring it. So I'm gonna square this orange and bring down 7 plus orange squared equals 23. Next, what I'm going to do is move the 7 to the other side. So positive 7 minus 7, this is considered a positive 7, a number by itself, minus 7, and these cross out. If I have 7 shoes and I throw away 7 shoes, I have 0. Why would I have 7 and not an even number? Ask me later. Anyways, orange squared equals 23 minus 7. And that's going to give us 16. So now we have orange squared equals 16. The inverse of squaring a number is square rooting a number. So I'm going to square root this number. And if I square root the left side, I have to do it to the right side. Just like I subtracted 7 from the left side and I got to do it to the right, I also have to square root both sides to balance out the equation. And what I'm going to be left with is in orange, because it's going to be considered unsquared, right? We already squared it. The square root cancels out a number being squared. And now the square root of 16 is 4. So this orange is positive 4. It could be positive or negative 4, but an orange being a negative, you don't have negative 4 oranges, you just have 4 oranges. So in this case, I'm going to leave the positive 4. This orange represents positive 4. and I'm going to leave him over here, and I'm done with this step. And now we have orange minus kiwi. I'm going to represent that with a K. Orange minus kiwi. Wait, we already saw what the orange equals, which is 4. And so now 4 minus K, which is kiwi, equals 2. Let's separate these so we don't get that confused. So 4 minus K equals 2. I believe that's a positive 4. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract the left side. And if I subtract 4 from the left side to balance out the equation, I have to do it to the right side. 4 minus 4 means 0. It cancels out. You're left with negative K equals 2 minus 4. If you have a positive 2 and you take away 4, it goes 2 times left of the 0. And now we have negative K minus equals negative 2. What you simply do here is you multiply both sides by negative 1. Because you can't have a negative variable. You're not isolating the variable if it's negative. So what you are left with is these negatives cancel out, and we have K equals negative 2 times negative 1, which is simply 2. And so now K equals 2. I'm going to move him out of the way. And let's put him in a little box to not confuse him. And I'm done with the third line. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the last line. So we have kiwi times orange times strawberry equals what? We said that the orange was 4. And we said that the strawberry was 7. So what is 2 times 4 times 7? 2 times 4 is 8. And 8 times 7 is what? 56. So in total, this equals 56. Kiwi times orange times strawberry is 56. So they gave us a portion. They gave us part of the problem. It's like giving us half of a map, and so we use the parts of the map that we do know and use inverse operations to figure out the parts of the map that we don't know. And so the final answer is 56. If you enjoyed today's video and you would like more content and offers to my future membership program that I'm going to be hosting, just click on the link below. Watch the video of me filling out this 10-page inventory. If you want it for free, just click on the link below, go to the video, click on that opt-in form, and then give us your email. And I'll send this inventory for you absolutely free. Once we fill out the inventory, you'll get a better chance of how your child learns. And within the coming days and weeks, I can send a membership I'm going to be offering a membership program for students who need help learning mathematics.